to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about ticker symbol SENS, Senseonics Holdings Inc. The stock is all-time high today at $5.27. The stock is up 26.68 cents. It is up by $1.11, 52 weeks high, all-time high. The stock has a nice run up. In this particular video, I'll be talking about three specific things. The first one is we'll do the stock price, volume, and the technical analysis of the stock price at this point. So pay attention to that. The second thing is why there is a spike in the stock, what causes this spike, and the third thing we'll talk about is two big upcoming catalysts. So pay attention, watch the full video. I'm going to also share my thoughts and opinion about the stock price, what can bring the stock price up from this level as well. There is a lot of potential in SENS. I strongly believe that if things work out the way the company has projected and their roadmap, this is going to be a great investment if you own this stock. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence and research before you buy or sell SENS or any other stock. SENS is still a penny stock, so make sure that you consider risk versus rewards. You can earn a ton of money in a very short period of time in penny stocks, but penny stocks tend to be risky, so only invest the money that you're willing to lose. If you haven't checked out my torch video, ticker symbol TRCH, you can search on my channel, and torchlight video, sorry, TRCH video. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, because we have been talking about all the stocks and they are great investments. Also, click on the like button because it takes me a while to do the research, upload this video, and share this information with you. I'm sharing my research and analysis, hoping it will help you making informed financial decision in your investment journey. Now, without further delay, let's talk about SENS or SENS stock. As you can see right here, strong momentum. The stock went up as high as $5.44 in today's trading session, 26% up. 5-day chart looks 30% up, $1.24. The stock was trading below $3, below $4, and we talked about the stock when it was around $3 level previously on this channel. 1 month chart shows 85% up, pretty nice run up in the stock price, and 6 month chart is 900% up. So great stock spike for SENS. So if you still own the stock, congratulations, you have done pretty well. Previous close was $4.16 for SENS. The 1-day range is $4.58 to all-time high. The company has over $1 billion market cap now, $1.96 billion, and the company is doing pretty well. They have pretty tiny revenue, $767,000. In Q2, their revenue was $261,000. In Q1, their revenue was $36,000, whereas cash on hand is pretty strong, $18 million in Q1, $21 million in Q2, and Q3 they had $26 million in cash. However, the net income is negative $23 million in Q3, in Q2 negative $7.52 million, and in Q1 their net income was negative $42.59 million. So the company is cash heavy, and they're burning through cash pretty quickly, but the company has enough cash on hand to run for next couple of quarters, and there is a great momentum in terms of revenue due to the upcoming catalysts that I'm going to share. Now, why the stock went up? There is no specific news, but one of the things that builds a lot of momentum is the companies is in their FDA approval stage, which the investors are expecting at any time now for its continuous GMD, the glucose monitoring device, and SENS has spiked up with no apparent news. There is no SEC filing today that showed any additional information. However, the stock has strong momentum. Looking at the stock price in general, they had a pretty strong volume today as well. Their volume was 86 million compared to the 38 million average volume. Let's take a look at what the analysts are saying in terms of the rating and recommendations. So February ratings are in. There are 4 ratings or recommendations from analysts. 3 are saying a strong buy, 1 is giving it a buy. So in general, analysts are bullish. Recommended rating range is 2.3, which is pretty strong as well. And as I mentioned, the 93 cent target is not really relevant at this point because of the catalysts and a lot more going on with the company. Let's take a look at the volume for SENS. If you take a look at the volume, I'll go ahead and refresh real quick because it should be 80 some. So 86 million. Today's volume 86 million, which is 21 million more than what it was yesterday. Strong volume, one of the newer high. The volume looks pretty strong in last few trading sessions, and the stock has pretty upward momentum, as you can see right here. So volume is strong, the price is strong, all-time high. If you take a look at this chart, the stock spiked up right here from below $5 level, and it went all the way up to $5.40. Their RSI looks pretty healthy as well. The stock ended with 61 RSI, which in my opinion is not really an overbought or oversold condition. It's almost in the middle or the fair RSI. The stock did not have really so many peaks and valleys, and it was trading consistently above $5 level more or less after the afternoon EST. As you can see, it went as low as $4.80 during the trading session. But if you take a look at right here, $4.84, once again $4.80. So there's a strong support at $4.80 level, and that helped the stock go up gradually in a very nice pattern all the way up to $5.40, and it is closed at $5.26, which is, or 28 cents, which is a pretty strong price point in my opinion. The RSI is pretty good. Looking at the five-day chart, the 5-day chart looks pretty good as well. In terms of the spike, there is a big spike once again from $4 to almost $5.24. Once again, the 5-day RSI is 51. Very strong. There are a lot of catalysts that is coming up, and I'm going to talk about that as well. One of the big upcoming catalysts next week is Senseonics is to participate into SVB Leerink Global Healthcare Conference, and this is happening on February 25th, 2021, and the company management is scheduled to present on Thursday at 12 noon Eastern, and they'll be able to share more information. And we have been seeing lately a lot of conferences where the company presents. It creates a lot of momentum. It gives company an opportunity to share more features and discover more about their product and share it with the community, investment group, industry experts, and that is always a positive news for the company. If not super positive, it keeps the momentum in a very positive direction. Now let's talk about a little bit what Senseonics does. Senseonics is a medical technology company focused on design, development, and commercialization of transformational glucose monitoring products designed to help people with diabetes confidently to live their life with their product CGM, which is a continuous glucose monitoring system, SENS and SENS XL. They provide additional time frame in terms of the monitoring system. Includes a small sensor inserted completely under the skin that communicates with the smart transmitter worn over the sensor. The glucose data is automatically sent every 5 minutes, and that is helpful, and that sends to smartphone, and they have proprietary technology, and I'll talk about that in a bit as well. With the SENS technology that they have, 90-day glucose monitoring system, you can actively manage your diabetes simply with confidence. Now, SENS provide continuous blood glucose monitoring up to 90 days via under the skin sensor, a removable and rechargeable smart transmitter, and a convenient app for real-time diabetes monitoring and management, which is a key product that they have right now. Now, with that, they're extremely excited because they have initiated the commercialization effort with European product that I'm going to talk to you in a second. So what that means, here is the timeline and milestone for the SENS company and their marketing pipeline. So in 2016, they invented this application or the device technology called SENS system, which is a 90-day glucose monitoring technology. In 2017, they came up with 180-day, the same technology for 180-day. In 2018, they got the FDA approval. So the company has already FDA approval for one of their products. So they're super experienced how the FDA approval works, what are the pipeline, what what the pipeline looks like, what are the steps involved, how they can make it FDA approval product, and how they can market once FDA approval is accomplished. Now, they also expanded HCP certifications to nurse practitioners and physician assistants in 2018. In 2019, they introduced MRI compatibility, therapeutic indications, and expanded HCP certifications to include non-physicians, which is another great thing. In 2020, here is where they are going to get the momentum for the 180 day. So that's last year. The sensor for 180 days supplement submitted. It is already into the process right now, and in 2021 they're expecting to have anticipated approval. They're expecting to have approval on the submission that they have done in 2020 in regards to 180 day new Eversense product that they came up with. In addition to that, their IDE phase is anticipated submission for 365-day sensor also in 2021. And in addition to that, they have been introducing more and more features with respect to Android operating system and the way that they sends the signals. The device sends a signal to the Android operating system. So this is one of the great things. So the company has a lot more in pipeline. One of the big catalysts, if they accomplish this, if they get the FDA approval, they have more market share. They can have this additional device into the market space, and that can bring them more revenue. And there is a lot of momentum, there's a lot of expectations, and then there is a lot of excitement about this 180-day technology that they're going to get FDA approval. On the top of that, they have 365-day technology as well right now that they're trying to get FDA approved. So the company has a pretty good roadmap. They already have FDA approval on their 90-day product. So I do believe that the company is really in the right direction. Now, one more thing in addition to that, they have done the strategic partnership. They have started the strategic partnership with the company called Essentia, which is one of the global commercialization and financing arrangement with the BGM in the BGM space. Essentia is to become the exclusive worldwide distribution partner for Eversense, Eversense XL, and future generation of products that the SENS technology or the SENS group can bring in for the patients. Now, SENS is focused on streamlining their operations, manufacturing, research, and development of the next generation of Eversense system. So what this means is SENS is going to do what they're good at. With regards to this glucose monitoring system. And Essentia is a leader in BGM with the heritage of almost 80 years of experience in innovative diabetes care product. Their products are sold in 125 countries. Approximately 10 million people are already using their product every single day, and they have approximately 1,700 employees in 31 countries, and they have sales more than $1 billion in global sales. So that's a great company, experience, industry experts that they're working with the company. This is going to be a great partnership for SENS. So I hope this information is helpful. So there are two big catalysts. One is the conference. Second is the FDA approval. And this is where the momentum comes in. With this SENS, the SENS stock price, it is all-time high. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence and research before you buy or sell SENS or any other stock. I'm sharing my information and research, hoping it will help you out. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the like button because your like is very, very much appreciated. It helps me sharing this video with more and more people. Thank you all for watching.